Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have taken a U-turn close to 13,200 and 33,360 levels. US 30 specifically has achieved a little highs from the close at last week. So now what to expect? Is it going to trade bearish and we should sell from here, or is it going to rally again? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit trading Dow Jones and Nasdaq? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The second update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end. Now first let's have a look at the hourly charts. Now so far it has gone to the extremes divergent from the 20 period moving average. Now it is trying to come back to this, taking the support here. The US 100 also, if you look at multiple candles, candles getting the support there, and this is trying to reverse here. So 13080 is the level below which it can try to show you slight bearishness. Rather, I will recommend you to sell at 13075, and below that you can expect 13040, 13020 is a very good support, and below 13,000 certainly it is going to break further till towards 12950 and below levels. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD has crossed over, trading with and looking down. And if you look at the RSI, this was trading overbought and has cooled down a bit here. Charts on the 2-hour chart, so see it is getting the support here. Certainly below 13075, you can say stay short for 13040, 13,000, and then below that further drop may take it for 12950. Yes, 12950, 12900 and 12800, these three levels, as I told you in my weekly analysis, are going to play an important role. Stochastic looking down, trying to cool down a bit. The MACD is also trying to converge crossover for a sell. Right now it is in green. The RSI was overbought and hence we can see a slight drop here. Now look at 3-hour chart. Now on the 3-hour chart, see again it is showing support here and it may try to reverse. Remember there is a gap which is there left at 13150, 13180 levels, but every gap is not meant to be filled at and also depends on the time frame when it tries to fill it. But right now it is getting a support, and see possibly once it trades beyond 13150, then only we can confirm that it is trying to reverse a bit. So first we should watch out for 13050 on the upside and 13080 on the downside. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is certainly come out of the overbought zone and trading comfortable. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, remember, see it is getting a pullback, and if you look at, see after consolidation 3 bullish candle retracement, I will wait for it to see. Only bearish confirmation is one if it breaks below 12950 levels and 12800 levels. Till the time it is still very much in this bullish channel. So I'll wait for it to break past 12080, 12050 levels first, 13080, 13050 levels first. Now see stochastic was overbought and looking down, and it means that the second red candle can also follow here. The MACD is trying to converge, it was trading bullish. The RSI is looking down here and trying to trade bearish here. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts too, see there is a wall out there. So 13150 needs to be breached in any case in order to confirm the bullishness. Then 13200 is the next resistance. Else there is a pullback. So 13080, yes, you can sell there. Expect that 13020, 13,000 and 12950, these are going to remain the extreme supports and only bearishness. Now remember, see on the daily charts, if you look at 12600 is the base here. With the base at 12600, it has started this rally. Now it is trying to retrace. Possibly it can try to retrace here 12800 and then bounce back. The possibility exists here. The stochastic here is overbought, which means that there could be little more drop. The MACD is in green and trying to converge here. The RSI is trading near to the overbought level. So considering this, for the day you can buy Nasdaq 100 at 13150 only. Till the time it stays below 13150, do not consider that it is trying to trade bullish. It is just a slight retracement before it looks forward to another round of drop there. So 13150 above that 13200, and if it stays above 13200, stay long in Nasdaq 100. We are going to look at 350, 500 levels. On the downside, yes, you can sell here at 13080, but then 13020, 12950 are the levels one should look at, and if it breaks below 12950 and 12900, then only further bearishness may prevail. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now see, US 30 is trading with extreme divergence from the 20 period moving average, which might show it a pullback till towards 33,100, that is the 20 period moving average itself. So that is first part. Second part, it traded outside Bollinger Bands and now it is trying to cool down a bit. Also look at the multiple candles getting its support or giving it support at 33,250 levels, and hence this is the level below which one can stay short in US 30. 33,250, if you are staying short till 33,200 we have to be watchful, and below that again we can see a good drop for 150 100 levels. 100 and 150 is certainly a stronger support. Now stochastic, which was overbought, has cooled down a bit. Looking down, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI was trading overbought and it is still overbought. It can try to cool down further with a slight drop. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 2-hour chart. Certainly, the resistance there on the upside at around 33 to 320 levels is very, very strong. And if you see it trading above 33 320, stay long for 33 400 and plus levels. So in between 33 250 and 33 to 320, at least we are not taking a trade. And see, the stochastic is overbought, which also brings an opportunity for a drop. The MACD is at extremely high levels and it can try to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is also extremely overbought and hence mostly it may try to trade bearish. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, remember one fact, that this rally is after a bit of consolidation at lower levels and now it is still looking upwards. The support there at till 32,800 and 700 is very, very strong. Now see, getting resistance on the upside, trying to look downwards. Possibly we can see it hitting 33,200 and below levels. In fact, 33,100, as I said, is going to provide a very good support. Stochastic overbought, trying to look down here. The MACD is in green, can converge a bit. The RSI is also overbought and hence try to bring slight bearishness here. And if you look at 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similar is the observation there. But look at these two candles symmetrical and double bottom is already seen there. So yes, once it breaks below 33,250, you can sell there and expect it to drop. See, the stochastic is at extremely overbought levels and hence a little drop cannot be denied. The MACD is in green, it may converge. The RSI is overbought. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you can find out, see, a bit of consolidation for a longer duration and then this retracement here, and see, almost same levels are achieved. I will wait for it to break past 33,500 in order to confirm a reversal. Right now it is trying to give lower highs here, so 33,500 is something one should look out for in order to confirm a reversal. Now also if you look at the current charts, see, almost symmetrical. I'll wait for it to break out either which ways in order to confirm the trade there. The stochastic is extremely overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It may converge. RSI is almost trading flat here. Considering this, a sell recommendation is only below 33,250 levels. Then also till 33,100 you have to put a 50-point trailing stop loss, such that 33, because there are supports at 200, 150, 100 levels, and only if it breaks below 33,100, further bearishness may take it for 32,950, 32,800 levels. On the upside, you can buy here at 33,320 and then expect it to rise a little. We can expect 33,400 and then beyond that it is going to break past 33,500 levels, which is a good resistance level on the upside. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel in order to trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.